Nimarurungano wa amemba a mugunda wa Olaro magikumithia arangiri a mugunda uyu thutha wa kiria kirerikana ni marathire mahiu mao riria mathiete gwetha mai ma kunywa mugunda-ini ucio.
All these issues come because Olaro, the time they signed this agreement, the literacy of this community was very high. But right now we have educated men and ladies, and that is why we have read this agreement. And we have even talked to the lawyers, and we have seen the agreement is very oppressive. So we are calling upon Olaro to come and we talk together, and we want to amend that agreement because it contains a lot of oppressing clause.
Kuringana na Olaro uria ni mumemba wa ndudu ya athuri a ruriri rwa ukabi ni ugite urugamiriri a mugunda ucio mena wiyendi munene wa kuhinyiriria aikari a mwena ucio wa Olaro kuria mataraheo kanya ga kureithiria mahiu mao kuo ona thengia wa mugunda ucio gukorwo uteithio munene kuri aikari a kuo.
The so-called management of Olaro took the action, the law on their hands. They undertook unfriendly exercise of shooting at the cows of the Maasais while going for the river for water. They hired the local police from Ngoswani, and this is what this community is against. They are not accepting such an action to happen. Olaro company is a company we lease to them their lands.
Olaro ni athingiriirie kuga ni megutabania mucemanio na arugamiriri a mugunda ucio hamwe na andu a ruriri a ukabi niguo kuhorohia ndũgamano ĩrĩa ĩriho ũndũ ũmwe na kurehe kihonia kia narua gatagati kao.
All water points must be accessible 24/7 within the Olaro Conservancy. 2, members of the Olaro Conservancy should have their plots beacon, because this are plot we paid for. The Olaro company deducted the money of these members, and yet beaconing has not happened. We don't know where our parcels are. That one. We are complaining about a position being held by a non-Maasai.
Oho ni maugite ni megucenjia uiguano uria wekirirwo kirore mwaka-ini wa 2015 wa mugunda ucio kuna ni urahinyiriria aikari a mwena ucio makiuga matirateithika na rũriĩ rwa kuramata nyamu cia githaka. Handũ-ini ha Kameme TV njĩtagwo Gathoni wa Ng'ang'a.